Good morning children, myself Anil sir and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhaoni Bettiya. So this is my third video regarding the grammar segment of class 8 in which we have seen all about determiners. And about determiners, we know that determiner is a word which is followed by a noun, which comes before a noun or which is followed by a noun. So in that list of determiners we have seen about articles, demonstrative words like this, that. Now we will see possessives, possessive words like my, our, their, your, his, her, its, they are the possessive words. So after every that possessive word a noun comes. Like this is my pen. We should do our work in that way. So Ram is doing his work. Ram is doing his work. But Sita is doing her work. We should do our work. They should do their work. So depending on subject, the possessive word varies. I am doing my work. You should do your work, like that. So this is all about possessive words which should be used properly in accordance with subject. Now next segment, distributives. So words like either, neither, each and every are distributive words. So let us see its meaning. Either means one of the two. One of the two. And neither means none of the two. So neither itself is a negative word. Neither is a negative word. It makes the sentence negative. Either is a positive word. So for example, either of you can look after the quiz arrangements. Either of you means there are two persons, and either of you means one of you is being referred here. I found neither of the books interesting. So two books are there and both the books are not of interest to the person. So I found neither of the books interesting. The sentence is the negative one here because the word neither itself is the negative one. Each means one or the two or more things of any number. Each child was given a new book. It means, say there are 10 children and out of them every child was given, so each child was given a new book. Every seat in this auditorium was occupied. So let us see some other determiners. Words like any, some, much, many, several, a lot of, a little, the little, few, these are the words coming under determiners. So let us see first two words, any and some. Some is used in affirmative sentence, like I bought some sugar. Sometimes it is used for interrogative ones. Do you need some money? But mainly some is used in assertive sentence or positive sentence as such. Any is used in negative and interrogative sentence, like there is not any sugar. Do you have any money? Do you have any problem? Like that. So next is much and many. Much and many. Many, both words are plural as such, but many is used with numbers, countable nouns. There are many girls, there are many children, there are many cars. And much is used with uncountable, like there is much, we should have much patience. I don't have much interest in TV serials. He is a man of much wealth. He is a man of much wisdom. We should have much stamina, like that. So in this way, several, it means a number of things. So the strike lasted for several days. Several days means for many days, a number of days. Several people were injured in the accident. It means more than one. Several means several is a plural word itself. So several people means more than one. The number itself is not clear. The number may be 10, maybe 50, up to anyone. Now we will see a lot of. A lot of means much, many. I am telling much and many. Why? Because the word a lot of is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. A lot of is used for both countable and uncountable. Many is used with countable nouns. Much is used with uncountable. But a lot of is used for both countable and uncountable. Let us see. A lot of people went to the jail. So here, people is countable ones. So a lot of people, a lot of children, like that. And a lot of snow falls in winter. So here a lot of is there, but it is used with uncountable ones. So there is no difference of countable and non-countable while using a lot of. Next we will see some words like little, a little, the little. Little, a little and the little. So that is used for uncountable nouns. Let us see the little means it amounts to nothing. Little means almost nothing. I have little money. It means I have no money. In other words, we can say I have little money means I have no money. So the term little denotes the negative meaning. I have a little money or I have a little patience. It means I have something. I have some patience. So a little means more than what is little there. And the little means whatever is there. So I used the little sugar that was in the pot. So the little sugar means whatever sugar was left in the pot, the entire sugar was used up. So little means not like it is like not. He has little knowledge means he has no knowledge as such. A little means something more, and the little means whatsoever is left or whatsoever is there, the entire. It shows the entire one. In the same way, few, a few and the few. Few is used with countables. A few means something more than that, a few interesting books. And the few means whatever number is there. The few children means the few children who wrote the test performed very well. The few children means whosoever children were present there, they took part in that. Under determiners, we have cardinal and ordinal forms also. So, in cardinal form, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And in ordinal form, we have first, second, third, 10th, that. One difference is there. See. 2 and second. Let us see the difference here. He won 2 prizes. Or he has won 2 prizes. He has taken 2 wickets. So the word 2 or 3 or 10 becomes plural. We cannot say he has taken 10 wickets. He has taken 10 wickets. But he has taken 2 wickets. But the word first, second, third, fourth, 10th, these are the similar words. So see the meaning. He had won 2 medals. It means the number of medals that he has won is 2 in number. But he has won the second prize. It means he has won only 1 prize, and rank by that prize stands second. It means there is someone who has done better than him, who has won the first prize. So while using, we should be careful. 2 stands for a plural determiner, and second stands for a singular one. So in this way, we have seen this. Now we will see some interrogative words like what, which, who, what, which, whose, how much, how many, like that. Here we will see that not all the interrogative words are there, like why is not a determiner, but these are the determiners. Okay, so we have discussed about determiners. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you.